Let's talk about TikTok dropshipping. Now, TikTok dropshipping is going viral. Every e-com business, every dropshipping business is moving to TikTok because TikTok provides you a platform whereby your product can go viral with no ad spend. So majority of the people are going to TikTok to start and launch their dropshipping stores in the hope that their videos are going to go viral and they're going to get organic sales. Now, this is a good thing because no ad spend, but here are a number of items that make TikTok dropshipping a very bad idea, and not many people are talking about this. So in this video, I'm going to show you the dark side of TikTok dropshipping, what you should know before you commence your TikTok dropshipping journey, and the ins and out of how to go about TikTok dropshipping. TikTok dropshipping involves you going on to TikTok and launching your page. That is a page of the product you are actually dropshipping. So you may be dropshipping from AliExpress or even Alibaba or even CJ dropshipping. But once you go to TikTok, you launch a page and you start launching your videos on TikTok. Everybody is recommending that you start your TikTok dropshipping journey because they say, one, you will not spend any budget on ads. Secondly, your video might go viral and maybe you'll be able to reach 1 million people. So if you're able to reach 1 million people free organically, and let's say you convert a number of these people, so you'll be getting sales organically, and this is what is actually making people want to go to TikTok. Now, here are the dark sides of TikTok that you should know before starting your TikTok journey. The first thing is, in the dropshipping niche, once you're dropshipping a product, you first need to find a winning product. So if you find a winning product, then that means you can be able to scale that product even more. Now, in TikTok, how many pages will you open or how many pages will you start before you can find a winning product? Because ideally what you'd want to do is you'd start a page for every product you have until you find a winning product. A winning product is, you might have viral videos, but the videos are not converting because nobody is really clicking on to buy the product. This is because just because people are liking your video doesn't mean it solves a problem they have. It doesn't mean it solves a need they have, and it doesn't mean that that product is actually a product they'd want in real life. So this brings the question, how many pages will you have to open for each and every product you're testing for you to be able to get a winning product? Because remember, if you're using ads, let's say TikTok ads or Facebook ads for your dropshipping, what you normally do is you test out a number of products. So this one is just easy. You just launch an ad for that product, and if you see that it's not actually converting, you just stop running the ad. That is going to enable you to find a winning product. But on TikTok, if you're running a page for each product you are testing, so that means you'll need to test out a product on each individual page, or you'll need to combine a number of products on one page. Then you'll be able to go with the one that actually works better for you. The other dark side of TikTok dropshipping that we normally see on a number of products is, in the dropshipping niche, we have products that go viral, they become really popular, then they become saturated in the market. Once a product becomes saturated in the market, nobody else is buying the product just because maybe they've tested the product, they've bought the product before, they've used the product, and they are now not using the product anymore, or they do have the product at this time in point. So once a product becomes saturated, you cannot be able to sell the product anymore. Let's say you've built a page to 700,000 followers or to 500,000 followers. That page was specifically for a specific product, but now that product becomes saturated in the market. So what do you do with that page? Do you go ahead and delete everything and now transition the page and relaunch the page using a new product? Those are the other items that we find with TikTok dropshipping that are not really talked about. The other side of TikTok dropshipping is, on TikTok, you cannot place a link on your page until you get to 1,000 followers. Now, that leaves the question, everybody who is trying out TikTok dropshipping, ideally, they will not have a page that is at 1,000 followers when they are starting, because they will have a new page. Now, if you do not have a link on your bio whereby your customers or people who want to buy the product can click, then head into your website and actually make the purchase, that makes it hard for your website to convert, or that makes it hard for your TikTok dropshipping page to convert, because buyers want the process to be made easy for them. Buyers want the process to be streamlined. They want to just click into your link and head into your website, purchase the product, and call it a day and wait for the delivery of the product. The other dark side of TikTok dropshipping is once you click a link, TikTok will probe the customer if they want to proceed to the website, and they'll actually bring a message that you'll be redirected outside of TikTok. If you are successful and you get to 1,000 followers and you are now allowed to place a link on your page, whenever somebody clicks on your link, TikTok notifies the user that you will be redirected out of TikTok. Do you want to proceed or something of the sort? Now, that reduces your conversion ratio, because somebody who has actually shown interest in the product, maybe they've given you some engagement and now they've clicked into your link in the bio, and now once they want to proceed out of TikTok, TikTok notifies them that you'll be redirected out of the website. That creates an extra step before the customer is able to reach to your landing page or to your dropshipping store. That reduces your conversion rate. Now, with all these items that you are facing before you actually get to the page, means that your conversion rate is dropping step by step. So that is something that is not factored in, because if you are running ads, if somebody decides to click on buy now or shop now, immediately they are redirected to your page. We do not have an extra step that they need to confirm or an extra step that they need to cross before they come to your landing page or to your dropshipping store. So that is one item that is not discussed about in TikTok dropshipping. And probably you'll see 1,000 people clicking onto your link on bio, but only 500 people are going to land into your website. That is another dark side of TikTok dropshipping that not many people talk about. The other dark side of TikTok dropshipping is people think that since you're getting organic traffic, you do not have to spend any amount. But let me tell you, you'll be hiring user-generated content creators. Now, user-generated content creators are people who you are going to ship products to them. They are going to make videos in an organic manner that they look like they are actual buyers of your product. Now, you're now going to pay them a certain amount. I've seen user-generated content creators starting from $200 all the way to $800. We have even some that are charging $1,000 for a single video, but that is cost that is also added to your process of creating a video that potentially will go viral on TikTok. Now, if you factor in while you are doing Facebook ads or when you are doing TikTok ads, you just put some budget, then the ad platform is going to push your video. Now, people think that doing TikTok dropshipping whereby you are using organic TikTok is not cost oriented, but remember, you need to pay for user generated content creators, and once you pay a user generated content creator, you can pay them for a certain number of videos. Say, I've seen some who are charging 10 videos $1,000, 10 videos $500. Now, you need to keep on paying these people to create more videos for you, because in TikTok you need to post 3 to 5 times a day for something to actually work out for you. So if you want to just go ahead and just post a single video, it's not going to work. You need to be posting video after video so that you can start getting some traction, and hopefully one video is going to go viral, because this is a numbers game. The more you post, you stand a chance of having one video go viral. So you need to keep on posting. Now, that also brings in extended cost, because you need to keep on paying user generated content creators for you to keep on getting the sales that you actually need. Another dark side of TikTok dropshipping is your video might be shadow banned. When TikTok does not maybe like your product, or if your product is deemed to be not promoting or selling appropriate products, or what is considered not good in TikTok standards, your video will be shadow banned. It's the same thing as what we had on Facebook ads, whereby if you're running ads for your dropshipping store on Facebook, your ad might have been rejected. Once you submit your ad, they review and reject your ad. So that is also the same thing on TikTok. If your video does not promote the products that TikTok deem appropriate, your video is going to be shadow banned. Sometimes even your video might be taken down, or even your account taken down. Another dark side of TikTok dropshipping is your page can only be localized. By localized, I mean if you are in India and you want to launch a dropshipping store and you launch a TikTok page, your store will only be visible to people in India. Not unless your product goes viral, or not unless your video goes viral, then it can start reaching out to new markets or to new countries. Now, normally in dropshipping, most of the people when they are starting dropshipping, they'd want to target the United States, Canada, United Kingdom. They'd also want to target Australia, the New Zealand. These are top tier economy countries whereby you are sure that they have the budgets to spend and people are going to buy your product, because these countries, they have a lot of money to spend. But now if you're launching a store from probably a country that is not really up in the spending, normally your video will not be shown to people of countries that you are not in. So once you launch your TikTok page, so you are normally asked your mobile number or your email address, then TikTok is going to pick up your IP address and it's going to start showing your content to the people in your specific country. That makes it hard for you to target countries that you actually want to sell the product in. This is a little bit harder compared to the Facebook ads or the TikTok ads, whereby you can select the countries that you want your ad to run in. So that is another item that is not really discussed on TikTok dropshipping. The other dark side of TikTok dropshipping is that you are always in a race with the algorithm, because the algorithm keeps on changing. Now you have to keep on optimizing so that you're following the algorithm, so that your video can be shown to many people. Following the algorithm is really hard, because you do not know what the algorithm wants, or you do not know what the algorithm deems as viral content. Now you're always in a rush to compete with the algorithm to know what is actually working out, and that leaves you in a very weird spot, because if you are running ads, you just need to make your creative really good and have a winning product, and that is all. You do not have to stress about anything else, maybe duplicating the ads or making your interest targeting. So those are the things that you want to be worrying about in your dropshipping store. But now if you are rushing against the algorithm, you'll need to be pitch perfect every time you launch a new video, or every time you post a new video, in the hope that it's going to catch the algorithm and go viral. That is another item that is not really discussed on and is a dark side of TikTok dropshipping.